നമസ്കാരം. ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ് സൈക്കോളജി ആയിട്ട് ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട കുറച്ച് ഇമ്പോർട്ടന്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും അതിന്റെ ആൻസേഴ്സും ആണ് നമ്മൾ ചർച്ച ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, വിച്ച് വൺ ഓഫ് ദ ഫോളോയിങ് ഈസ് നോട്ട് കൺസേൺഡ് വിത്ത് ദ ഡ്യൂട്ടീസ് ഓഫ് എ ടീച്ചർ? ഓപ്ഷൻസ് എ, ടു മേക്ക് ദ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് ഡിസിപ്ലിൻഡ്, ബി, ടു പാർട്ടിസിപ്പേറ്റ് ഇൻ എക്സ്ട്രാ കരിക്കുലർ ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസ്, സി, ടു മേക്ക് സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് പ്രിപ്പയർ ഫോർ എക്സാമിനേഷൻസ്, ഡി, ടു പ്രിപ്പയർ മന്ത്ലി ആനുവൽ റിപ്പോർട്ട്സ് ഓഫ് സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് പെർഫോമൻസ്. Answer B, to participate in extracurricular activities. Next question, which of the following is an example of motivated teaching? Options A, improved attendance in the class, B, absolute silence in the class, C, students ask a question in the class, D, students take notes in the class. Answer is C, students ask questions in the class. Next question, classroom communication must be options A, cognitive, B, affective, C, selective, D, effective. Answer is D, effective. Next question, all universities in India requires accreditation unless. Options A, it is established by an order of President of India, B, it is created by an act of Parliament, C, it is created by an executive order, D, none of these. Answer is B, it is created by an act of Parliament. Next question, expand CLASS. Options A, complete literacy and studies in schools, B, computer literacy and students in schools, C, Center for Literacy and Studies in School, D, computer literacy and studies in school. Answer D, computer literacy and studies in school. Next question, who put forward the idea of paradigm? Options A, Peter Haggett, B, von Thuman, C, Thomas Kuhn, D, John Wright. Answer C, Thomas Kuhn. Next question, dysgraphia is a, options A, physical disorder, B, mental disorder, C, behavioral disorder, D, writing disorder. Answer D, writing disorder. Next question, which of the following is accepted as the most appropriate teaching method? Options A, lecture method, B, discussion method, C, demonstration method, D, narration method. Answer B, discussion method. Next question, video transmission over the internet that looks like delayed live casting is called. Options A, direct broadcast, B, virtual video, C, real-time video, D, video shift. Answer is C, real-time video. Next question, which one of the following is the least important aspect of the teacher's role in the guidance of learning? Options A, continuous diagnostic and remedial help, B, the forestalling of habits, C, encouragement and moral support, D, development of insight into what constitute the pitfalls and danger to be avoided. Answer D, development of insight into what constitute the pitfalls and danger to be avoided. Next question, team teaching has the potential to develop. Options A, competitive spirit among teachers, B, cooperation among teachers, C, the habit of supplementing the teaching of each other, D, highlighting the gap in each other's teaching. Answer C, the habit of supplementing the teaching of each other. Next question, the most common cause of nervous instability amongst teachers would be. Options A, cognitive disorder, B, quarrelsome behavior, C, worry, D, fatigue. Answer C, worry. Next question, which of the following statement is not correct? Options A, computer is capable of processing only digital signal, B, computer is capable of analyzing both quantitative and qualitative data, C, appropriate software is required to processing the data, D, computer is capable of processing digital as well as analog signals. Answer D, computer is capable of processing digital as well as analog signals. Next question, a student who knows mathematical operations identifies it well when he comes across with corresponding life situations. This transfer of learning is known as options A. Vertical transfer, B. Horizontal transfer, C. Lateral transfer, D. Sequential transfer. Answer C. Lateral transfer. Next question. As per Bloom's theory of cognitive development, which of the following one is not among the 6 levels of development? Options A. Application, B. Analysis, C. Retention, D. Evaluation. Answer C. Retention. Next question. Which of the following is the highest level of learning as per David Kohlberg's theory of learning? Options A. Concrete experiments, B. Reflective observation, C. Abstract conceptualization, D. Active experimentations. Answer D. Active experimentations. Next question. Which of the following is not a psychomotor skill? Options A. Driving, B. Skating, C. Writing, D. Swimming. Answer C. Writing. Next question. The work of e-content generation of undergraduate classes is assigned by the MHRD to options A. InflipNet, B. National Knowledge Commission, C. Consortium of Educational Communication, D. IGNOU. Answer C. Consortium of Educational Communication. Next question. According to you, the most appropriate meaning of learning is options A. Acquisition of skills, B. Personal adaptation, C. Acquiring knowledge, D. Progressive behavior adaptation. Answer D. Progressive behavior adaptation. Next question. Successful teaching reflects options A. Teacher's satisfaction in the result of teaching, B. Teacher's commitment and sincerity in teaching, C. Motivate students for better learning, D. Teacher's attitude towards excellency in teaching. Answer C. Motivate students for better learning. Next question. CIET stands for options A. Center of Integrated Teaching and Technology, B. Central Institute of Engineering and Technology, C. Central Institute of Education and Technology, D. Center for Integrated Evolution Technology. Answer C. Central Institute for Educational Technology. Next question. As per statistics released by Government of India, almost 2/3 of government spending on higher education is on options A. Infrastructure, B. Library, C. Faculty and students, D. Research. Answer C. Faculty and students. Next question. The national agency constituted for determining and maintaining standards of teacher education in India is options A. NCTE, B. NCERT, C. CBSE, D. CIET. Answer A. NCTE. Next question. Who among the following education philosophers is known to be a pragmatist? Options A. John Watson, B. Jean Piaget, C. John Dewey, D. Froebel. Answer C. John Dewey. Last question. One of your students blames the pen he uses for his bad handwriting. The behavior adaptation tactics practiced by him is known as options A. Sublimation, B. Naturalization, C. Rationalization, D. Negation. Answer is C. Rationalization.